Hey, so if you want to collect data, surveys, or registrations easily, yeah, Google Forms is one of the fastest tools to use. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create a form in Google Forms in 2026. First thing, go to Google Forms and sign in with your Google account. Make sure you're using the correct account. Next, click on Blank Form. So this creates a fresh form you can customize from scratch. All right, add your form title. I mean, this tells people what your form is about, like job application or survey form. Now, add a description. This explains the purpose of the form in a few simple lines. Next, click Add Question. So you can start with name, email, or any basic information. All right, choose the question type. I mean, you can use short answer, multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop down. And yeah, customize your form with colors or images, then it auto saves in Google Drive. No need to press save manually. So that's how you create a form in Google Forms. Once it's ready, you can share it and start collecting responses instantly.